Are you looking for the best Vitamix blenders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Vitamix blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vitamix Propel Series 750 Blender. The Vitamix Propel 750 blender offers you a powerful and versatile blending experience. With its 4 automatic blending programs, you can easily make smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and dips with consistent results. The 10 speed settings and pulse function give you full control over the texture, making it perfect for any recipe. Its self-cleaning program saves you time and effort. Just add warm water and soap, and the blender cleans itself in under a minute. Plus, the 2.2 horsepower motor ensures smooth blends every time, eliminating chunks and making your blending effortless. What we like. For automatic blending programs. 10 variable speed settings. Self-cleaning feature. Powerful 2.2 HP motor. Number 2. Vitamix VM0197 Explorian Blender. The Vitamix VM0197 Explorian blender is a professional-grade blender with a 48 ounces container that is perfect for blending medium batches for small family meals. It has 10 variable speeds that allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, and a pulse feature that lets you layer coarse chops over smooth purees for heartier recipes. Its hardened stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, and the blender can self-clean with a drop of dish soap and warm water. The blender also features a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system to ensure its longevity. What we like. Professional-grade blender. 48 ounces container perfect for small family meals. 10 variable speeds for culinary precision. Self-cleaning feature for easy maintenance. Hardened stainless steel blades for durability. Number 3. Vitamix 5200 Blender. The Vitamix 5200 blender is a powerful countertop blender that offers variable speed control, perfect for achieving various textures in your blends. Its large 64-ounce container is great for making medium to large batches of smoothies or soups. The blades can heat ingredients to steaming hot in just 6 minutes, ideal for making hot soups. With hardened stainless steel blades, this blender can handle tough ingredients effortlessly. Additionally, its self-cleaning feature allows for easy cleaning with just soap and water, making maintenance a breeze. What we like. Variable speed control. Large batches. Hot soup feature. Hardened stainless steel blades. Number 4. Vitamix Propel 510 Blender. The Vitamix Propel blender offers a versatile 48-ounce container, perfect for everything from single servings to larger blends. With 3 preset programs, smoothie, hot soup, and frozen dessert, you can achieve consistent results without constant supervision. The 10 variable speeds allow you to create everything from silky smoothies to chunky salsas with ease. Plus, the pulse feature lets you add texture to your recipes, making it ideal for hearty dishes like pasta sauces. This blender combines convenience and professional-grade performance to elevate your blending experience. What we like. Versatile 48-ounce container. 3 convenient preset programs. 10 variable blending speeds. Pulse feature for texture. Number 5. Vitamix Explorian Blender 64 ounces renewed. The Vitamix Explorian blender offers 10 adjustable speeds, allowing you to easily control the texture of your blends, whether you want silky smoothies or thick soups. Its pulse function is great for adding chunkier ingredients on top of smooth blends, perfect for hearty sauces or vegetable soups. Powered by a strong 2.2 HP motor, this blender can easily crush tough ingredients, giving you smooth and consistent results every time. Plus, cleaning is simple, just add soap and warm water, and the blender cleans itself in under a minute, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. What we like. Variable speed control. Pulse function for texture. Powerful 2.2 HP motor. Self-cleaning feature.